Hey, welcome to This Mama's House. Today I'm going to share with you some quick speed cleaning motivation. Hey guys, thanks so much for joining me on today's video. My name is Tabitha if you are new. I am a wife and homeschool mom to almost 6 kids. I'm currently almost 32 weeks pregnant with baby number 6. Today I wanted to share with you some cleaning motivation to help get you up and doing a load of dishes, folding a basket of laundry, or maybe even starting that cleaning task that you've been putting off. So I really hope that this inspires you to get some housework done. As homemakers, this is our most important job, is caring for our kids and keeping our homes tidy and kept. Now, in this video, my house is a disaster. We had 2 really busy days and cleaning was the last thing on my list. So of course, as much as I would love to keep it clean all the time, that's just not realistic. So I'm sharing with you a realistic look at what 2 days of neglect in my house looks like. This is just a quick little video to help boost you guys up and give you that motivation that you need. So I hope you enjoy it, but first I wanted to let you know that this video is sponsored by Built Bar. I love my Built Bars. You guys hear me talk about them all the time. It's because they are seriously that good. My favorite Built Bar is the mint brownie, and I sometimes think maybe I should only order these because even my kids like these the best as well. But I do like to have a little bit of variety. Peanut butter brownie is another good one. Caramel macchiato. They have so many great products, and the things that I like about the Built Bars the most is that it doesn't taste like your typical protein bar that's dense and dry and just has this weird aftertaste. This tastes like you're eating a candy bar. It's like a special treat. Whenever I need just a little bit of sweetness, I'll grab for one of these. Or on days like today when I'm trying to get a lot of cleaning done, I will eat one of these to just kind of power me through. So this has 17 grams of protein. It's coated in real chocolate. Let me show you because they look like a candy bar too. It's so tasty. And inside it's just this ooey, gooey, chewy, delicious, caramely filling. It's so good, you guys. You have to try them out. You can jump down to my description box and grab the link there. It will give you 10% off your order. Sometimes I get questions about ingredients and all that kind of stuff, like carbs. So just go to their website and you can check out all the ingredients right there and see if these Built Bars are a fit for you. I know I love them and I think you will too. So with that being said, thanks to Built Bar for sponsoring. Let's get into the cleaning.
told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm a rolling stone tonight, never to be settled. Though I know I can't deny your eyes, I've got this inner battle. I don't know how to act. I ain't a person who understands the commitments of a romance, but somehow I need you close. I'll go wherever you go. But I just
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Oh, na na na. Oh, na na na. For love or pity, let me know. Cause your love made me
I've got this feeling.
go blind.
I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up. Now I I don't wanna wake up, I don't wanna wake up without you.
I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this cleaning video and it gave you some inspiration to get up and speed clean yourself. This was 30 minutes of me cleaning, so I could get a lot done in a short amount of time. So I hope that inspires you too. But thanks so much for watching. Definitely subscribe if you are new and give me a thumbs up if you like to see these short, quick speed cleaning videos. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!